Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the coffee machine into your workspace. Using a knife, carefully open the carton box. Inside the carton box, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Remove the coffee machine, the two runners and other fitting components from the box and place onto the blanket. Measure the width of the niche in the column. Place the first runner into position on the left, taking care to line up the runner flush with the front of the niche. Screw into place using the screws provided. Repeat this process for the right-hand side of the niche. Screw the cable guide into place on the right-hand side of the inside of the niche. Pull the runners out so they are fully extended. Remove the plastic film from the coffee machine. Lift the coffee machine and rest into position on the runners. Fix the coffee machine to the runners by screwing the 4 screws into place from underneath the machine. For the next step, you will need the plug. Plug into position at the back of the coffee machine. Move to the right and thread the cable into place through the cable guide. Once plugged in, turn on the main switch and fill the water and cafe compartments. Push the coffee machine into the niche. Turn the product on. Clean the coffee machine and check alignment of the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.